is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
Well, good afternoon, Southern Colorado, and if you have the day off at home, happy Martin Luther King Day. Great day for a great man, as I was saying earlier this morning. It's a little breezy in town, but overall, it's not that windy outside, and we're catching this on the east side of our building, kind of looking at our window to the west. Trees aren't moving much, so it's a little windy out there, but it's not bad. It's completely calm, and actually the same temperature in Woodland Park compared to Colorado Springs. Both towns sitting at 47 degrees. In Pueblo, the sun is awesome today, coming out with that pillar of light right down into the ground there. Just a really neat camera catch, a really neat angle is allowing us to see that, and crisp skies out there in Pueblo, 45 degrees. Trinidad, Fisher's Peak at 50, and you know, there's a little bit more of that cirrus I talked about, that grayish look to the sky. More and more of that will keep coming over the mountains, but not enough to really affect our day temperatures. Look at this nice channel of warmth from southeast Colorado all the way down through Oklahoma, Panhandle, and into Dallas. 51 there, 73 in Phoenix. Let's get that air rotated back into Colorado. Now, we're trying to get Colorado some of that Arizona warmth, but check out the Midwest. It is still at now 1 o'clock, by the way, Central Time, 10 in Lincoln. So that cold air is still influencing Colorado a little bit, and it is tough to warm up when that big cold air mass to our east still slightly encroaches on our region. 40s for most of the interstate. Walsenburg and Trinidad are just out of the way and still in the 50s over towards Springfield. Today's forecast, that cloud cover I talked about. Now it's thicker to Utah, but that wispy outside edge still tries to get itself out of the mountains. Again, nowhere near thick enough to really be an impact on our temperatures. But we do have some snow to talk about for tomorrow. Today it's all the way out to the California coast. Cool low pressure system spinning over the Pacific. But what this is going to do is start to come into Colorado tomorrow, and we'll start to see some mountain snow tomorrow through the evening. In our modeling, again, nothing really on the forecast today to worry about, but we start to get towards tonight and tomorrow. We do get a little bit of that snow to fill up. And our snowfall forecast, I ran it out to Wednesday. Does look like we're going to get at least a few inches of snow over some of these ski resorts, especially like Crested Butte and Aspen. They'll do pretty well. But remember, most of that mountain snow really shows up like tomorrow and kind of goes in waves through Wednesday. Here at home, we are expecting, I'm going to say mostly dry skies. On Wednesday, I have a flurry chance. However, that keeps looking weaker and weaker through model guidance, and part of the reason is that the energy there seems to be just kind of lifted out of our way. So it's a pretty good chance we'll stay dry this week with a fairly nice warm up into the weekend. Now Pueblo, we're looking at something similar, dry this week with a gorgeous warm up into the weekend. Sunny, light winds, and almost 60 next Saturday. That's what a January day can do for us here, getting into February when we don't have snow around. Canyon City's in the 50s, and then we get up towards 58 degrees on Sunday, so gorgeous into the extended forecast. And finally, Woodland Park, we do have a light snow chance Wednesday. Still doesn't look like a good chance, and then up towards 50 on Sunday.